next part we have 27 and 63. So again we will find the prime factorization of 27 and 63. So 3 9s are 27. So by repeated division method we will have to find the prime factors. So here 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now 63, if you find the sum of the digit, it will be 9, and 9 comes in 3 tables. So 63 will be divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 7s are 21. Then 7 1s are 7. So prime factorization of 27 is, the prime factors of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, and prime factorization of 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. Now in the next step we will have to circle the common factors here. Now here we can see that here is also 3, here is also 3. Again 3 we have. Now here we have got 3 and here we have got 7. So we don't have common factors. Okay. So except 3, 2 3s. So we will have to write the HCF of 27 and 63. So how to find the HCF? We will have to find the product of these common factors. So from these two we'll take 1, and from these two we'll take 1 3. So the product of these two will be 9. So the HCF of 27 and 63 will be 9. Now next. Now 36 and 84. So we will have to find the factors at first by division method, repeated division method. So this here last digit is 6, so it will go by 2. So 2 18s are 36. Now 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. And here 84 we have. So 4 is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. So prime factorization of 36, what we have got, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now prime factorization of 84. So prime factorization of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, now we will have to find, we will just circle the common factors here. So we have 2 as common, and then we have 2 again, then we have 3 as common. Okay, so the HCF of 36 and 84 is, we will have to find the product of this common factor. So from these two we'll take 1, then we have again we have 2, so we'll take 2, from 2 2 we'll take 1 2, and from 2 3 we'll take 1 3, and if you find the product of this, then we will get the HCF of 36 and 84. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, now coming to 8th part. Now we have 34 and 102. Now 4 here, last digit is 4, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 17s are 34. Okay, now 17 1s are 17. And then we have 102. Again we will have to find the factors of 102. So 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Now 51, see, if you find the sum of the digit, then we get 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So we'll take 3 here. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. After this 17 1s are 17. So now we will write the prime factorization of 34 is 2 into 17, and prime factorization of 102 is 2 into 3 into 17. So here we will circle the common factors. So here we have 2 as common factors and 17. Now to find the HCF, we will have to just find the product of the common factors. So here we have 2 as common factors and 17 as common factors. So the product of these two will be 34. So the HCF of 34 and 102 is 34. Okay, next. Now in the G part we have 70, 105 and 175. So separately we will have to find the prime factors. So here last digit is 0, so it will go by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Then 5 7s are 35. Then 7 1s are 7. Now coming to 105. So here last digit is 5, so it will go by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Okay, then 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. After this we have 375. Now here if you add this, we will get 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 will not be divided by 3. So here last digit is 5, so we will take 5 here. So 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Okay, now 5 7s are 35. So 7 1s are 7. So here similarly we will have to find prime factorization of 70, 105 and 175, and then in the next step we will have to just circle the common factors from these three. Okay, see here, prime factorization of 70 is 2 into 5 into 7. Okay, then prime factorization of 105 is 5 into 3 into 7. Then prime factorization of of 175 is 5 into 5 into 7. Now we will have to check the common factors. We will have to find the circle. We will just circle it. Circle the common factors from these three. Okay, from these three means we will have to check the factors of 70, 105 and 175, and then we will have to find the common factors, means the number which is present in the factors of these three. So here see, we have 2, but 2 is not present here and here, so we cannot take 2. Then we have 5. 5 is present as a factor of 70. Then this is present in 105 also, and this 5 is present as a factor of 175 also. So that means 5 is common. After this we have 7. So 7 is there as a factor of 70, 105 as well as 175. So we will write the HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is, we will find the product of the common factors. So here common factor is 5 and 7. So if you find the product of this, then you will get the HCF of these three. So HCF of 70, 105 and 175 will be 35. Okay, now next. Now in the next part we have 91, 102 and 49. So again by division method, repeated division method, we will have to find the prime factors. So here 91 is there. So we'll take 7 here. 7 13s are 91. After this 13 1s are 13. Then we have 112. Okay. Now here 112 is there. So last digit is even. So it will go by 2. So 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Then again it will go by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 14s are 28. 2 7s are 14. So 7 1s are 7. After this we have 49. So 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7. So prime factorization of 91 is 7 into 13. Then prime factorization of 112 is, how many 2's? Here we have 4 2's and 1 7. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Then prime factorization of 49 is 7 into 7. Now here we will have to find the common factors. We'll have to just circle the common factors here, so we can see that only 7 is common, means only 7 is present as a factors of 91, 112 and 49. So we can take only 7 here. So HCF of 91, 112 and 49 is 7. This is only the highest common factor. Okay, next. Now in the next part we have 18, 54 and 81. So the prime factors of 18, 2 nines are 18, 3 3's are 9, 3 1's are 3. Then we'll take 54, 2 27's are 54, 3 9's are 27, 3 3's are 9, 3 1's are 3. Then we'll have 81. 8 plus 1 is 9, means the sum of the digit is 9, so it will go by 3. So 3 2's are 6, 3 7's are 21. So 3 9's are 27, 3 3's are 9, then 3 1's are 3. So prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. So we'll write 2 into 3 into 3. Then prime factorization of 54 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 3 times 3 we have. After this, the prime factorization of 81 is 4 times 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll check the common factors here. Now we will have to find the common factors here. Now we can see that 2 is present only here and here, but 2 is not present over here, means 2 is not a factor of 81. So that means 2 is not common. 2 is present only in the factors of 18 and 54. That's why we cannot take, because we will have to take the number which is common, which is present in these three, means the factors of 18, 54 and 81. So 2 we cannot take. After this we have 3. Now 3 is a factor of 18, 54 and 81 also. Again we have 3. So we can take 3. Now we will find the HCF of 18, 54 and 81, which is from 3 3's we'll take 1, means 1, 2, 3. In both these 3 numbers we have 3 commons. Again we have 3 commons. So we will take this, and if you find the product of this, then we will get the HCF of this. Okay, means 18, 54 and 81. Now the last part. Now in the J part we have 12, 45 and 75. So we will find the prime factors. 2 6's are 12, 2 3's are 6. Then 3 1's are 3. Next we have 45. So 4 plus 5 is, if you find the sum of the digit, then we can see that the sum of the digit is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So we'll take 3 here to divide 45. So 3 1's are 3, 3 15's are 45. Now 3 5's are 15, 5 1's are 5. Next we have 75. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. So that means this also 12 comes in 3's table. So this means 75 will be divisible by 3. So 3 2's are 6, 3 5's are 15, means 3 25's are 75. Then 5 5's are 25, 5 1's are 5. Now we will write the prime factorization of 12 is, say, 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Next, prime factorization of 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Then prime factorization of 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. Now which is common over here? See, 2 is present only here, so we cannot take 2. Again 3 we have here also, and here also. After this 5 is present only as a factor of 45 and 75, so we cannot take 5 here. So only HCF is only 3. Highest common factor is 3 only, so HCF of 12, 45 and 75 is 3. So this was the last part of number 1. Thank you, students.